Hey everyone, just got back from a wonderful Colorado trip with a friend of mine, checking out some trails, and on the very last day we were on an easy trail and I got a little complacent, missed a rut, missed a rock that had jumped out right at me and smacked my transmission skid plate. Check it out. So since then I've had a bit of a rattle. I think it's the bowed up skid plate rubbing up against the exhaust under load. So today I'm going to get underneath the car, drop the plate, and see if I can't straighten it out a little bit. Yep, looks like I did a number on that skid plate. It's bowed up pretty good here. Looks like I had a heck of a smack right there in a couple spots that really pushed it up. So it's bowed, and as expected, looks like it got pushed up a little bit. It's a little too close to the exhaust here. You can see some fresh metal marks on the exhaust where it's just beaten up against it under load. All right, let's drop it and see if we can't straighten it out. Wow, okay, I definitely beat this poor thing up. Quite the peak here and here, and the whole thing's bowed up a little bit. Let's see what we can do. I have a different idea. I just gotta get this peak out. Problem with trying to beat up metal on a Sunday morning is just not being obnoxious to your neighbors. So I've come inside the garage on a little bit of a padded floor, and we'll use a 4-pound sledge and see what that happens. By the way, in case you can't tell, I am not a body man, so I am just making this shit up as I go. Well, that worked like a treat. BFH. When in doubt, just get a bigger hammer. Straighten out some of these other pieces. Still bowed a little bit, so we'll just use a little bit of masculine persuasion. Okay, let's see how that fits. Okay, I think that'll do it. Ample clearance between the exhaust. Give it one more bolt. All right. I don't remember the torque specs on these, come to think of it. I don't know if I ever even found them. So I'm just gonna German torque them. Good and tight. Calibrated elbow says that's pretty good. For those of you that live and die by YouTube videos for your how-tos, do as I say, not as I do. And what I say is, if you can find the torque specs, always use them. Okay, let's start it up and see if we rattle. All right, so no more rattle. I think we got that thing straightened out good enough to pull it away from the exhaust and also just kind of get it ready for another trip. As you can see, it's already much better. So it is aluminum. It takes a little bit of persuasion, but it is soft enough with a big enough hammer to straighten back out. And so I think I'm all set for yet another trip. For those of you thinking on taking some trails with some rocks, even if they're not that difficult, it's certainly a good peace of mind. So kudos to Rallitek. I know this thing gave me a little bit of trouble on the install, but no regrets. I'm really glad I had it. If I had hit that rock without that armor, who knows what would have happened. Might have left me stranded on the trail. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this entertaining, if not helpful. And until next time, have a good one.